First of all, I want to simply say to you, I have some red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, spring onion, and white onion right here, cut up very finely. And very finely I cut them up, guys, not too big. Second thing I want to simply say to you, I have 3 eggs, which I'm going to be breaking right here. But before, let's use this to break our egg into. 3 eggs, which I'm going to be breaking. That's it, guys. You can see exactly what we're talking about right here. Alright, so 1, 2, and that's 3 eggs. Lovely. To make an egg roll, you have to know what you're doing. That's the first thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the eye from the egg. Nice and lovely. So I'll remove the eye from the egg. You know, that's 3 little white things which inside of the bowl, that's the eye of the egg. So basically you normally remove those. Some people don't remove it, but I like to remove the eye from the egg. And I have a video on the YouTube channel show you how to remove eye from the egg. Alright? Then we're gonna put roughly 3 tablespoons of milk, or 1/4 cups of milk, just 1/4 cups, not too much. Give it a whisk. Pinch of pepper, and also pinch of salt, and give it a whisk. It's good to strain an egg. So basically, I'm gonna strain mine. The only thing I would say, because of the pepper, I need to probably put back some more pepper. Nice and lovely, as you can see, it's straining. Nice and lovely. So I finished straining off my egg, and basically what I'm gonna do, pop it back inside of this one right here. Lovely. Pop a little bit more pepper, not too much. Get all of those lovely seasoning and just pour it straight inside of it like this. And give it a little mix. Let's pop a little bit more milk, not too much. So now we're gonna show you how to do your egg roll. Alright? Nice and lovely. So basically this is my frying pan right here, and I'm gonna pop a pinch of olive oil. Use a brush and simple wet the whole frying pan like this. Make sure it's oil. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're gonna do next is like this, guys, just to make you guys see exactly what's going on. Alright? Lovely. A lot of people don't put cheese, but I like my cheese, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna pop a little bit of cheese like this. To be honest, a lot of people don't put cheese when they're making the egg roll. As you can see, so we're gonna leave that for roughly 3 to 4 seconds. 3 seconds just to make it cook. Nice and lovely. So as you can see how it looks. So basically what you need to do is simple. Just to make sure it cook. Take a little time and keep folding it over. As you can see, you have to just be careful, guys, when you put it over. But anyway, let's get it from this side. And simple. Fold it over to this side, but because of the veg cut a little bit too thick, but anyway, we will get there. If not, you can always simple fold it like this. Nice. So we're gonna do another one just to show you, because we're gonna put in all of it just like that. Alright? And use a spatula and simple move it around like it can get to. I would say cut the veg a little bit more smaller, as I cut my veggies a little bit too big. Really nice, but as you can see, yep. Wow, that need to cook some more right there. Need to cook some more. Really nice, but it's spoiled again, guys. But you know what I mean, as I said, I believe it's a veg. I cut the veg a little bit too thick. So but we're still gonna do this video name behind the scene of how to make an egg roll. But basically it's supposed to be like this and like this, guys, to be honest. So as you can see, it's still there. Behind the scene, this one. This one definitely spoiled. I can't believe. Alright, but as you can see exactly what I'm talking about, but that's the way it's supposed to be. Like this. Turn off my stove. I would say cut the veg a little bit smaller. But it come out good still in our way. It wasn't too bad. I did it before, but I didn't do it with like so much chunky veg. Nice and lovely, but this one is a little bit well done. Nice one. Not too bad, but it could be better. So guys, anyway, this is not just a little idea of what we are talking about. Egg roll. Basically, I will do it one more time, make you guys can see exactly what we are all about with this egg roll. All right. So next time, look out for the next video which we're gonna do about this one, egg roll. All right.